A 21-year-old with no underlying health conditions has revealed how COVID-19 attacked her vital organs and left her fighting for her life on a ventilator. Lily Burns, 21, from Fort William, had no health conditions when she got coronavirus, with doctors initially thinking it was a kidney infection and sending her home. But Lily's health quickly deteriorated when COVID-19 started attacking her heart, lungs and kidney, and she was rushed to hospital, where she was put on a ventilator for a week. She has now recovered enough to be sent home to her family, telling BBC's Good Morning Scotland, "I'm feeling very emotional about everything now. With me nearly not coming through, my friends have been coming over to the house with gifts, but obviously they can't come anywhere near me, so that's very hard." Lily was on a 5K run tour raise funds for NHS workers on Thursday the 16th of April when she started feeling sick. Her temperature soared to 39.7 in a matter of hours, and she had shooting pains through her stomach. Her family phoned 111 and went into an outpatient surgery to be told that she had a UTI and a possible kidney infection. Lily was given an anti-sickness tablet before being sent home, revealing, "A high temperature was the only coronavirus symptom I had. Because of COVID they didn't want me going into hospital, so they sent me home and said if I got any worse to go to A&E. But throughout the night her health deteriorated and, at 4 a.m., she went into A&E before she was admitted into Belford Hospital in the early hours of the morning." The 21-year-old spent 5 days in the hospital, when she was given CT scans and numerous blood tests and told she could have a UTI, kidney infection, problem with her appendix. She said, "They did loads of tests, and by this point they thought it wasn't a kidney infection but they didn't know what it was." She also took an initial test for COVID-19 which came back as negative, and said she felt optimistic, revealing, "I thought I was going to get out for the weekend, that was the plan." On Wednesday the 22nd of April, she was feeling better and walking around her bedroom, when her world flipped and she was told she did have coronavirus. Lily was taken to a different hospital, Raigmore, in an ambulance, but she quickly became critical ill as the disease attacked her internal organs. "I was told I was going as a precaution. But by the time I got to Raigmore, I had deteriorated," she said. "The COVID had attacked all my internal organs, my heart, my liver, my kidneys, everything. First of all, they tried to give me oxygen through my nose, but because I needed so much of it, my body couldn't take it through my nose. They had to put me under sedation and that was me for 7 days." In the early hours of Thursday the 23rd of April, Lily was put on a ventilator in a critical state. She has no recollection of the next week of her life, explaining, "The only thing I remember was getting out of the ambulance and being in a room with about 8 to 10 doctors and nurses. I think it was a bit overwhelming for me and I got a fright." A week later, on the 30th of April, Lily and her family said that a miracle happened and doctors were able to remove the ventilator. By that afternoon, she was able to FaceTime her family, explaining, "When I came back around after the 7 days, I thought I'd only been sleeping for one." She added, "I think it was way more traumatic for them than it was for me. I had no idea what was going on. I think I was looking pretty scary." 4 days later, she was allowed to return home, with her sister Daisy sharing an emotional clip of the moment on Facebook. In the video, Lily's mother Ainsley and 2 sisters Ia and Daisy can be seen rushing up to her as she walks out of hospital with the help of a nurse. The family can be seen embracing in a huge hug as they battle back tears over their reunion. Meanwhile, Lily's father Philip can also be seen offering his daughter a cuddle. Sharing the post, Daisy wrote, "Best day ever. We were stopping and starting as we didn't know if we were allowed to cuddle her or not. 4 days off the ventilator and she's out, absolute miracle child." Meanwhile, Lily went on to explain, "I'm feeling very emotional about everything now. With me nearly not coming through, my friends have been coming over to the house with gifts, but obviously they can't come anywhere near me, so that's very hard. They're just happy to see my face after everything that's happened. Thank you for watching our video. Please show your support by subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and Reddit for more videos.